Now, economists have expressed cautious optimism for the Ghana Cedi, saying the currency has largely stabilized and any depreciation in 2026 is expected to be modest. Speaking on the sidelines of the 4th annual forecast dinner organized by the CFA Society Ghana, they note that recent policy interventions have helped the cedi bottom out, with the current exchange rate reflecting its fair value. Here's more.
IMF data shows the Ghana Cedi appreciated by over 40% against the US dollar in 2025. However, the currency has faced renewed pressure in 2026, depreciating by about 4% against major trading currencies and raising investor concerns. Speaking at the 4th annual focus dinner organized by the CFA Society Ghana, GCB Bank's manager of macroeconomic research, Courage Boti, said cedi movements this year are likely to remain around the mean.
I do not expect further strong appreciation like we've seen in 2025, and the reason largely is that the interventions kind of have worked out, and you've seen the cedi now bottom out. What happened has been a correction. What we have today looks like the fair value of the cedi, and if we are seeing movement, will be around those current figures, really. And then I'm trying to say that you could expect some marginal depreciation this year, but relative to the worst case scenarios we've seen in the last few years, you are not expecting those levels of depreciation going forward if the fundamentals that drove this kind of appreciation or correction are sustained. That is the point I'm trying to make. So cedi will not come to 8, 9 or even 7 cedi to $1 levels. We are not expecting that. It would stay around the current levels and marginal movement around the current levels.
Meanwhile, Managing Director of the Ghana Stock Exchange, Abnamwa, said sustaining the gains from 2025 will require deeper markets and broader investment opportunities.
Whilst I celebrate these successes, and they are worth celebrating because they are testaments to the hard work all of us have put in over the years to create these success stories, I also consider that all these successes have come on the back of a very, very shallow market. A very shallow market. On the equities market, we have 35, 36 companies listed. There are thousands of companies registered in Ghana. Ghana Club 100 alone has 100 companies. We have one ETF, an exchange-traded fund.
The event also featured a charter recognition ceremony celebrating newly certified professionals and underscoring the importance of expertise in navigating volatile financial markets.